Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best battery packs for power recliners in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. LaVolta Battery Pack. For those unaware, LaVolta is one of the biggest names in the power supply industry. It manufactures a wide range of products, including power adapters, batteries, power banks, and more. This 2500 mAh battery pack is an excellent universal wireless recliner power supply that lets you use your recliners anywhere you want. Like a few other products on our list, this one is also a universal battery pack, making it compatible with a wide range of power recliners. All you need is reclining furniture with a 2-pin connection for the LaVolta battery pack to work. Another thing that we found impressive is that it allows you to place your recliner anywhere you want. It is possible because this battery pack design eliminates wires that are potential hazards and requires you to place the recliner close to power sockets. FreeMotion Rechargeable Battery Pack. FreeMotion is another big name known for its high-quality cordless battery packs, especially for power recliners. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity that can power your recliner for an extended period. It is also one of the safest options since it comes with ULMH 60644 recognition. FreeMotion brings to you one of the most powerful battery packs for power recliners that come with a 5000 mAh capacity. While most other manufacturers offer 2200 to 2500 mAh capacity products, this one offers double the capacity, enabling it to stay charged for longer. On that note, this battery pack can easily power up to 4 modular pieces and 9 motors. Furthermore, it offers up to 900 single motor cycles on a full charge, making it one of the longest-lasting products in the segment. Indeed, you can easily go for more extended periods before recharging the pack again. Ponker Battery Pack. The Ponker Battery Pack is an efficient and convenient power solution for electric reclining furniture. With a substantial capacity, it ensures extended use, allowing your recliner to operate for days or even weeks on a single charge, depending on the frequency of use. This battery pack eliminates the hassle of power cords, providing the freedom to place your furniture anywhere in the room without worrying about access to electrical outlets. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to be easily hidden under or behind furniture, maintaining a clean and tidy living space. Installation is simple and straightforward, featuring a plug-and-play setup compatible with most recliner models. The Ponker Battery Pack is ideal for those seeking a cordless, reliable power source, ensuring uninterrupted comfort and convenience. Perfect for maintaining an organized and clutter-free environment, the Ponker Battery Pack is a practical addition to any modern home. Innovation in Battery 6. As we near the end of this list, it is time to introduce the innovation in Battery 6. Innovation is one of the top brands that offer a range of power supply products and accessories, and the Battery 6 is a prime example of how good their products are. The first thing that sets the innovation in Battery 6 apart from the competition is its compact form factor. Due to its smaller size, it can easily be concealed in any type of power recliner. Also, it makes this battery pack one of the most portable options you can find on the market. However, don't let the compact size fool you. Despite the lightweight build, the Battery 6 is one of the most powerful battery packs we have come across. It can charge your recliner very quickly, making it ready for use as and when required. Full Battery Pack. Moving on, we bring you the Full Battery Pack, which will keep your power recliner up and running in no time with its quick charging solution. This battery pack is also one of the safest and easiest to use options on the market while ensuring a great experience. First of all, we like the impressive build quality of this battery pack. It is one of the most durable options on the market and is guaranteed to last you a long time. Moreover, the battery pack is compatible with most types of power reclining furniture that work with a 2-pin connection. So, It should work well with your furniture, no matter the manufacturer. The FUA battery pack also has an impressive range of certifications, including UL, FCC, C, and RoHS. These certifications ensure that it is one of the safest to use products currently available for purchase and can be used almost anywhere without worry. Innovation 4 Power Pack. The Innovation 4 Power Pack is a powerful and reliable solution for powering electric reclining furniture. With its high capacity, it offers extended usage, allowing your recliner to operate for weeks on a single charge, depending on usage. This battery pack eliminates the need for power cords, providing the flexibility to place your furniture anywhere in the room without worrying about proximity to outlets. Its compact design ensures it remains discreetly hidden under or behind furniture, maintaining a neat and tidy appearance. Installation is straightforward, featuring a simple plug-and-play setup compatible with most recliner models. The Innovation 4 Power Pack is perfect for those who want a clutter-free environment and need a dependable power source for their recliner, even during power outages. Enjoy uninterrupted relaxation and a more organized living space with the Innovation 4 Power Pack.